Okay, kids and cadets, we're back working on this CL175. Ian has this front tire that he's going to put on the rim here. It's a Duro, and be sure to look for the directional arrow. There is a small arrow on the sidewall.
Okay, it's tiny.
Yeah, right near his thumb. You can see it pointing in this direction. So make sure it's set up right. He already put some soapy water on the sidewall here, and he's ready to install it. So let's go to town and get this thing put on. He'll use the spoons, the spoon setup, which I'll show you momentarily. So he's manhandling the one side on as much as he can, and then we'll spoon it with these famous BeadPro by Motion Pro. We showed you these last week.
Goes one side.
Okay, he manhandled one side on. So that's good when they go on that easy. So this is a tubeless tire. We got new tubes for it. This is a 2.75 by 18 front tire, Duro. I'll put the model number in the description below. So when you're putting on the nuts on the valve stem, one nut stays inside the rim and then one on top. That way you're pinching the valve stem against the rim itself.